just a matter of wanting to do something. It's not, nobody forced it on me. So, yeah, it was my trademark. Perfect. At one point, my business card was The Man in the Moon. And I said, let's do a solar eclipse or a moon eclipse. Well, I'm Dorner Fullum. I'm from Pointe-aux-Trembles, east side of Montreal, east end of Montreal. People starting to ask me to make the mirror small, 8, 6, 10, 12 inches. And at one point I said, well, should be fun maybe to do just for a living. After 2 years, I felt comfy. My wife, were you comfy, chérie, when I left my job? So this side of the shop is all optic. Grinding, polishing, figuring from 6 inches up to 50 inches in diameters. All the machines that you see are homemade, that I build all my machinery. All the testing system, all the manipulating, sucking cup to move the mirror around. So now the other side is more mechanical, assembling. Well, the oven is there, and this is the kiln, my pizza oven. So inside you got elements on the floor, the walls, and the ceiling. So it's all computer control. So on this side here, this is my vacuum chamber to do the coating. Homemade again. Yeah, yeah. Because I couldn't afford to buy one. So it took about a year to build.
Can I ask you, when you first took the air out of it, were you scared?
Oh yeah. One day I said, I got to build my own guitar one day. And then 3-4 years ago, I said, well, let's try it. So I built my first guitar, the only guitar I built. I play in open mics and everything. People go nuts about the sounds. Oh, wow, what kind of guitar is that? Well, I built it. You want to make me one? I said, no. It's a very good sound guitar. My dream project? Oh boy. That would be to have a place in the Rockies for my wife's horses and my observatories with a big 50-inch in there. And that's my compressor.